And looking back at the latest numbers on that hurricane season outlook from NOAA that was released today, they are projecting that we will see from 17 to 25 named storms this season. So that is a lot, well above average, which is 14. Of those 17 to 25, 8 to 13 could become hurricanes, 4 to 7 major hurricanes. And really there are two major reasons why this is going to be such an active season, or at least it's forecasted to be an active season. The first being near record warm sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic basin. So we know that's tropical storm and hurricane fuel. That's what fuels these storms. The second thing is a transition to La Nina conditions in the Pacific Ocean. So when we see cooler than average temperatures in the Pacific, it actually impacts our Atlantic hurricane season by creating weaker wind shear in the Atlantic basin, which means more storms can take advantage of that environment and more storms will likely develop. But the thing is, with these forecasts, you kind of have to take it with a grain of salt because it doesn't tell you where the storms will go. So we may have a bunch of storms that fire up this season, but they may stay away from us. They may just go out in the open Atlantic Ocean. So we'll watch it, of course, closely as we go through the next several months. Really, this forecast is just a good reminder to prepare for hurricane season since it does begin next Saturday. Typically, the first couple months were pretty quiet. Things don't really get busy until August and September. So something to keep in mind. Definitely get prepared, have those plans in place as we head into those summer months. And actually, right on cue, there is this area of showers and storms in the Caribbean. It has a low chance for development, only 10% chance, and is expected to move to the northeast out in the open Atlantic. Not going to bring any impacts really to anybody, so we don't have to worry about that. But again, another reminder, as the season gets closer, we'll see those things coming up, and we'll be tracking those as we head throughout the next several months. But no tropical worries for us over the next week, and we look like the only thing we have to worry about is how hot it's going to be. Temperatures are going to be really warm getting into your Memorial Day. Right now, we are in the 80s across the area, still hanging on to 90 degrees in Baton Rouge. Our feels like temperatures, because it's so humid outside, well, it feels like the 90s everywhere, except for the immediate coast where it feels like the 80s. So a little nicer, closer to the Gulf of Mexico. Right now, our wind's still coming mostly from the south-southeast, around maybe 10 to 12 miles per hour. So we had that nice little breeze, and we'll keep that kind of breezy weather through tomorrow. And we stay breezy through this weekend, which is actually really nice. Fortunately for us too, we don't really have to worry about any rain. All these showers and storms, much like yesterday, are going to be firing up to our northwest and staying to our north tonight. So we'll track that for you with Precision Cast. Next few hours, we stay dry. We'll see an increase in our cloud cover. Showers and storms stay to our north, move through central Mississippi, and continue to move eastward through tomorrow. And then another batch of storms fires up way to our north again tomorrow, stays away from us. So tomorrow, dry weather, sunny skies, but hot temperatures for your Friday. The rest of your Thursday, if you have any outdoor plans, we'll just see a little bit more cloud cover working in. It is going to be warm and humid tonight with temperatures in the 80s this evening and then the 70s tomorrow morning, both sides of the lake. And the reason why it's going to be so hot is this heat dome that's centered over Mexico, bringing them some extremely hot temperatures, and it will stay there through the Memorial Day weekend. And we're kind of on the northern periphery of that. That's going to keep us really hot and dry through early next week. And so far, it looks like we could still see that weak front maybe reaching our area by next Wednesday. Could actually bring us a slight drop in humidity on the North Shore, more so by next Wednesday, but we'll see. But here are those hot temperatures thanks to that high pressure heat dome. We could see triple-digit air temperatures in South Texas through Mexico. Here at home, we'll stay in the low 90s tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, and we'll probably get to the middle 90s for our afternoon high temperatures on Monday. So Monday for Memorial Day looks to be probably our hottest day, and this really only half the story because it's going to be humid, so it feels like temperatures will be in the triple digits every afternoon. We stay dry for Memorial Day weekend. There is maybe a chance for a stray shower Monday, but not expecting much. But our rain chances do increase a bit getting into next Tuesday and Thursday. That's when we'll finally see a chance to see a few scattered showers and storms, but it is going to be hot and muggy for your holiday weekend. Make sure you stay cool and hydrated when you'll be outside.